Hello my dear student, this is Amit Pandey and I welcome you all in this online class. So today we are going to start the chapter quadratic equation, chapter number 4 in mathematics. So I hope you already understand the concept of quadratic equation. So again I am starting from the very first topic, that is quadratic equation. So let us start the concept of quadratic equation. See, if you talk about the forms of quadratic equation, so see here it is written ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. But the condition given here, a must not be equals to 0. B can be 0, C can be 0, but A must not be equals to 0. If this condition gets satisfied, then the resulting equation will be a quadratic equation. Now one more thing, as we already know the concept of degree in the chapter polynomial, so in this equation the degree is 2. So what is degree? Let me recall again the concept of degree. Degree is the highest power of the equation. So in this equation the highest power is 2. See, x to the power 2. Here the power is 1 and it is a constant part. So the highest power is 2. So we can say that the degree in this equation is 2. So when the degree is 2, then the equation is quadratic equation. It is compulsion that any equation to be a quadratic when the degree will be 2. If degree is 1, then it is a linear. So for having a quadratic equation, the degree must be equals to 2 and it is of standard form ax square plus bx plus c. So this thing we have to remember for the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now for the better understanding of the quadratic equation, I have taken here three examples, A, B and C. So let's come for the example number first. See, the example is 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Now see, in this example, this 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. See, if we compare these two equations, suppose this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So if we compare equation number 1 from equation number 2, we get that the value of a is 2. See here, x square and x square is there. So a value is what? A is 2. Again see, x and x. So b is what? 3 and the value of c is 5. So a is 2, b is 3 and c is 5. And no doubt it is a quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c. So in this manner we can find what is a, what is b and what is c. So for finding a, b or c, just compare the equation with the ax square plus bx plus c. So x square coefficient is a, x coefficient is b and c is what? Constant. Now come for the next example. See here, the equation which we have taken here, that is 3x plus 6. So tell me, in this equation what is the degree? See, the degree, the highest degree, the degree is what? 1. Because see here, x to the power is what? 1. So if the degree is 1, then what I have taught, if the degree is 1, then the equation is linear equation. So it is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. For being a quadratic equation, the degree must be 2. But here in this case the degree is 1. Now come for the next example, that is 5x square. See, this is equation 5x square, but still it is a quadratic equation. Why it is quadratic? Because in this equation the degree is what? The degree is 2. Now what is given? The condition a must not be equals to 0. See, a is not 0 here. A is what? A is 5, but b is 0 and c is 0. Just compare this equation from the standard equations. So we can write here ax square plus bx plus c. So in place of bx, can we write 0x, or in place of c we can write 0. So the equation will be 5x square plus 0x plus 0. And if we compare these two equations, we get the value of b and c, that is 0 and 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Now see, for solving any quadratic equation, suppose a quadratic equation is given to you and you have to find the roots of the quadratic equations, or we can say that value of the x. So generally we have three methods for the solution of any quadratic equation. One by one we can complete all these three methods. So see, what is the first method? The first method is middle term, or you can solve the equation by using factorization also. The second method is method of completing square, and the third method is quadratic formula. So one by one we can complete all these three methods. So with these three methods we have to approach the question. Either we can use factorization, either we can use completing square method, or we can use quadratic formula also, as it will indicate in the question, like solve the question by using completing square method or using quadratic formula. Now see, I have taken some questions from exercise 4.1. So let's see how we can solve these questions. So the first question is, check whether the following equations are quadratic or not. Means we have to check only whether the two question given here is quadratic or not. So for approaching this question, what is in our mind? That the degree must be 2, or it will satisfy the condition of ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0. Now see the first question. It is x square minus 2x is equals to minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus x. So it is x square minus 2x, multiply minus 2 into 3, so minus 6, and minus 2 multiplied by minus x, so it is plus 2x. Minus 2 into minus x is plus 2x. Now then it is x square minus 2x, just reverse this minus 2x on this side, so it will be x square minus 2x minus 2x minus 6. So just solve these equations, we will get x square minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. So see here, this is the equation is matching exactly with the condition or a form ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is 1, b is minus 4, and c is 6. So yes, this is a quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Now see, again we have taken one more question, x plus 2 to the power whole cube, 2x multiplied by x square minus 1. So we need one formula, that is a plus b ka whole cube. So it is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. So a is x and b is 2 here. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then a plus b. And here I had just opened the bracket. So it will be 2x cube minus 2x. So x ki power cube is x cube, 2 to the power cube is 8, and 3 into x into 2 is 6x, and inside the bracket it is x plus 2. So it is 2x cube minus 2x on the right hand side. Now see, then solve the equation, this bracket, solve this bracket here. So it will be x cube plus 8 plus 6 into x, that is 6x square, and 6x into 2 is 12x, and on the right hand side it is 2x cube minus 2x. Now just complete all the part on one side, put all the part on one side. So it will be 2x cube minus x cube minus 6x square minus 2x minus 12x minus 8 equals to 0. Now see, in this equations the degree is what? The degree is 3. So if the degree is 3, then it is not a quadratic equation, it is a cubic polynomial. So we can say that the question given here is not a quadratic equation, because the degree is what? 3. But for having a quadratic equation, the degree will be 2. Now see the next question. Represent the following situation in quadratic form. Means the situation given here, and this situation we have to represent in quadratic forms only. Now see what is the situation given. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So see here, very good concept is given here. Inside the question it is given that the length is 1 more than twice its breadth. This is the condition given in the question. So you can write in this manner also, so that you can get the equation very easily. So length given here is 1 more than twice its breadth. So see, on this left hand side, whatever the variable will be on this left hand side, that variable we have to assume x. So it means that this breadth is depend on this length. So whatever the variable which is dependent variable, that variable we have to take x. Okay, so it is given that length is 1 more than twice its breadth, means the breadth here is dependent on that length. So we have taken breadth of the plot as x meter, and that length is as per condition given here, that is 1 more than twice its breadth, and breadth is x. We have put it here x. Now area is given in the question, that is 528 meter square. So what is the formula for area? That is length into breadth. So length into breadth equals to how much? That is 528 meter square. So put the value of L and put the value of B. So 1 plus 2x into x, that is 528. So just open the bracket. So we'll get x plus 2x square equals to 528. Now just put each and every variable on the one side. So it will be 2x square plus x minus 28. So can we say that this is the equation of a quadratic form? See here, a is 2, b is 1 and c is minus 528. So this is the representation of the situation in quadratic form. So student, I left some questions for practicing. So just try all this question and ask me any doubt occurred during the question. So thank you and have a nice day.